Zu-31 kuMeyi 2026, Imbombela Fanatics, uSimeon Bingelela, nonke emakhaya. Isizini iphelile-ke bafowethu, akusekho ukuhlehlela emuva, okwenzekile kwenzakele. Imbombela Fanatics was their first season ukwenza ubuciko bayo bokushutha iy'thombe, kuphinde futhi kuba amavidiyo makuphela ama-games. Sithanda-ke ukuthi abantu beMbombela Fanatics sibonge wonke umlandeli nawo wonke umthameli wezemidlalo eMpumalanga, asinje i-Lowveld kanjalo ne-Highveld. Kube isikhathi esinzima, inkonyane bethuka isisinga ngesizulu, kodwa-ke siyathanda ukuthi sibonge wonke umuntu osamukele kule sizini yethu ebengiyokuqala ka-2025-2026. Mina-ke nomfowethu uLimpho brother okuyena ovame ukusiphathela i-mic kuma-interviews. Also our brother uKarabo, who was coming there and there asiphathele i-video. So siyabonga kakhulu, sithanda ukubonga kubo bonke abantu abasemukelile kule season. Ngingathanda nje ukuthi ngiqale ngibonge ama-club wonke lawa amakhulu ala eMpumalanga. Ngibonge abantu bakhona ne-media, ngibonge abantu be-TS Galaxy, Indaba Ezitha, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukusemukela nokusichushisa ngoba besi-black singazi lutho. Sometimes uba ne-idea, ube ne-passion yokwenza into bese uthi hayi kuzobonakala khona phakathi. So esikubongayo kubafowethu be-TS Galaxy, basemukele bonke, even abashuthayo, ngikhuluma ngoRamarumo, everyone nje siyabonga. Siphinde futhi sibonge kubafowethu be-The Bees, bafowethu be-The Bees, ubhuti laphana uMagunga usisize kakhulu. Sibe nenkinga-ke sisaqala, besinenkinga enkulu sisaqala, abantu bebengasifuni, especially ngikhuluma ngama-security. Not kube bengasifuni ngoba bezizonda, but imithetho iye ifune ama-permit futhi uzokwenza lo msebenzi esiwenzayo noma esisiqala ukwenza. So-ke siyabonga kakhulu kubhuti we-The Bees. Sisaqala kwake kwaba khona lokho nalokho ukuthi nathi okuningi asikwazi, kodwa sibonga ukuthi abantu basicathulise basise phambili, bayibone lento esizama ukuyenza. Lokho sikujabulela kakhulu, siyabonga. Sibonge nabafowethu be-Kruger United abango-champion namhlanje be-Motsepe Foundation. Siyabonga kakhulu kubafowethu be-Kruger United. Even ama-mistake ebesinokwenza nathi, they would correct us and then izinto zethu zibe right, sishintshe lapha nalapha. Njengoba sithi it was our first season kule nto, ngoba yonke into inesiqalo, yonke into inesiqalo. Mhlawumbe ngesizini ezayo sizokwenza kangcono kakhulu. Sibonge nabafowethu be-Casric, noma-ke besingavami ukuba nabo, siba namasilakanyamazane ngey'ndaba-ke zama-logistic, ukuthi nathi we are still local or regional, if I may say. But siyabonga kakhulu abalandeli bakhona, very very passionate, ibona bezama ukukhuluma nabo. So ngiyabonga konke-ke lamaqembu engikhuluma ngawo. Ngiphinde futhi ngiyobonga ku-TS Galaxy, ngibonge nalaba abalawula amaqembu besifazane. It was good ukuvakashela amaqembu abo besifazane, siyoshutha khona and share ama-interviews, even ama-coaches. Coaches sibuya singifisela okuhle kule season yabo iqalile, badlala i-draw laphana eGoli kule mpelasonto esiphuma kuyo. Sibafisela inhlahla isizini seziyaqala okuhle, kodwa coach Sibiya no-captain balihole kahle iqembu kule season, bakwazi ukuthi balwe neMamelodi Sundowns namanye amaqembu. Siyafisa ukuthi le league bayithathe. So-ke njengoba sengisho njalo-ke bafowethu, siyambonga wonke umlandeli obekwazi ukuthi aphumelele eze estadium kule season esibuya kuyo. Kuhle sikwenzile, kodwa futhi sisengenza kahle kakhulu, siyabalandeli bebhola laseMpumalanga. Ngicela ukubonga futhi ngokukhethekile, ngibonge abafowethu abasebenza eMbombela Stadium. Bekunzima ukuqala, ngiyakhumbula security futhi again beyenza umsebenzi wayo, bese kuba nzima ukuthi sikwazi ukungena. But ngiyabonga ukuthi nakhona abantu baseMbombela, talking about the officials or ama-stadium managers, bakwazile ukuthi basichushise lapho nalapho, sikwazi ukuthi sigcine nathi mhlawumbe igcine sisithola sesikwazi nokuthi esikwenzayo sikushere nabo. Siyakubonga lokho kakhulu. Siphinde futhi sibonge nalaba abakwanyamazane stadium, nakhona futhi kuba nzima, kodwa sibonile ukuthi kugcine into esifuna ukuyenza ibonakala ukuthi yini. So lezi stadium ke siyayibonga, even kaBhokweni siyabonga nakhona. We used to go there siyokwenza ama-games e-TS Galaxy Queens, nakhona besiya futhi. So-ke siyakubonga lokho kakhulu. Ngiphinde-ke ngiyobonga even nalama-coaches amajunior, ngikhuluma ngele-Rockets amantombazane, kuzoba ama-development ayo ilokhunja i-TS Galaxy, nawo wonke ama-development akhona la elokhunjeni. Ngakhuluma ngabo La Familia, Nkomazi Black Clover, ngakhuluma Matafeni Hotspurs, Sinani United. Siyabonga kakhulu ngoba abantu labo abasithema sifika basemukela futhi abezandla ezimhlophe. Siyabafisela ukuhle nabo ukuthi ama-promotion whether kuma-leagues abawadlalayo bakwazi baphumelele baye phambili. May the best team wins kuma-lower divisions nakuma-development. And also to the coaches of ama-development, umsebenzi abawenzayo sike sawuvakashela kakhulu isizini isaqala. Kuningi kuhle sikubonile. Iy'ngane, they are being motivated, they are being trained, they are being developed ukuthi to be abadlali bakusasa abawuba nohlonze sobabuka kuma-television. So it was good, it was very very good. Sengisho njalo-ke bafowethu, kuningi okwenzekile nakuyo le season. Uma sizobuya sibuke ama-team asempumalanga this season, kuningi okwenzekile, kodwa okukhulu kakhulu, ake siqale ngendaba ezibe enkulu kakhulu, kube yikhona ukupromothwa kwe-Kruger United. Kruger United yenze kahle kakhulu esigabeni se-Motsepe Foundation, yakwazi ukuthi ibe oshampiyoni bayo i-Motsepe Foundation automatically. Bekunzima-ke, bekungelula, kodwa siyabonga abaphathi beqembu, sibonge i-technical team kanjalo nabadlali, sibonge nama-supporters ukuthi akwazile ukuthi ame neqembu kuze kube sekugcineni. Umdlalo wabo wokugcina abawudlala ne-The Bees, ubusubona ukuthi no, bakulungela ukufika kwa-PSL. Ngikhuluma nge-support-ke. I-support was galore, and everyone was happy and passionate ukusupporta iqembu. I hope and believe ukuthi mayiqala isizini abalandeli beKruger bazokwazi ukuthi bazi ukuthi manje amasokisi bawakhuphule nabo iqembu njengoba selinyukele esigabeni esikhulu. Asikho isigaba esidlula lesi national la South Africa. So siyalibongisa kakhulu iqembu leKruger. Sibongise even uchairman wakhona, umsebenzi omuhle, akulula ukurana iqembu. Siyakubona besingabalandeli kabe bebuka ibhola njengabalandeli, kodwa manje mawususebenza ubuka izimo, ama-chairmans, ama-coaches agijima ngaphansi kwazo, ama-captains. So uyabona ukuthi ebholeni kunzima, akukho lula. So sengisho njalo-ke asibongele kakhulu iKruger, yenze kahle kakhulu. Ngicabanga ukuthi ishine ikuyona eMpumalanga this season, ishine ikuyona eMpumalanga. Sisekuyo-ke i-Motsepe Foundation, i-Castle Stars yenze kahle kakhulu nayo this season. Noma kuthe masekuye emaphathelweni baqala badraw imidlalo, I think ne-fatigue was there. Kodwa-ke ziningi izinto ey'khanda iqembu ukuthi lenze kahle. We can't say only fatigue because they were playing like ama-games e-PSL kakhulu ku-Nedbank Cup, of which benze kahle kakhulu. Siyababongela kulokho, benze kahle kakhulu, bakhombisile ukuthi abesabi muntu, and they are also ready ukuya ka-PSL because i-performance yabo bekhombisa throughout i-Nedbank Cup definitely shows ukuthi they are more than ready ukuya ka-PSL. I definitely believe that next season they must push for the automatic qualification noma promotion, bese beyakwazi bayithole beyiqembu eliya straight ku-Betway Premiership. Nokuyoba into enhle kakhulu-ke ukuthi bafike ku-Betway Premiership because uma ungabuka KwaZulu Natal kunamaqembu engicabanga ukuthi awu-4 ku-Betway Premiership. So iMpumalanga ingahlulwa yini ukwenza lokho. So-ke we are hoping and praying ukuthi lokho kwenzeke ngempela, ngoba nayo i-The Bees next season kukhulu esengakwenza, kuningi esengakwenza. So next season ke i-Castle Stars, I definitely believe ukuthi they're gonna do better and they're gonna do excellent than what they did, because this season we can never doubt what they did. They performed well, but towards the end, I think that's where they drawn most of their games, and then that's where maybe the foot was off the pedal. So that being said, ngizodlulela kwi-the Bees. The Bees was their first season. This season ku-Motsepe Foundation, they managed nabo ukuthi bafinishe as laphana kulokhu ku-bottom half ye-table, bafinishe as number 10, but it was hard for the Bees. It was hard for the Bees, but they did their best. In my view, it was their first season. I would say they basebenzile. As much as the expectation was high on them, especially on their supporters, because till now we hang with our supporters. Their supporters, man, those people, they baltan the they love their team, they love their club. I wish all the best for them, all of them. They are passionate about Iqembu labo. They sacrifice for Iqembu labo. I know they can do even more in some of the games with their attendance, but so far so good. I was impressed by them. So eqenjini ke kuningi okuhle sikubonile. Istriker sabo uMasilela was one of the top goal scorers elokhu nje ku-Motsepe Foundation. Wenze kahle kakhulu noma engayibanga i-top goal scorer, but ushaya amagoli into enhle kakhulu leyo. And bese kuthi next season they can do better. I definitely believe ukuthi into fanele bayilwele iyona i-top 4 noma i-top 3, where they can maybe either win the league or try ukuthi baye kuma-playoffs, because anything is possible kuma-playoffs. Okuyukuthi namanje ayaqhubeka ama-playoffs, ayadlala. Unfortunately, Castle Stars didn't make it to ama-playoffs as bafinishe number 4. Bese sibuya eqembini elikhulu la eMpumalanga okuyi-TS Galaxy. A very, very tough season for i-TS Galaxy. It was not easy. It was not easy. Baqale kanzima, bayithola i-rhythm, and then they started winning games or getting results, and then after a few games again, bashona phansi. Because if you can look at their season, they played 30 games. Kulawo magame lawo bakwazi ukuthi bawine 8 yemidlalo, badrawa 8, baluza 14 yemidlalo. I think losses abe maningi kakhulu ama-loss, nokwenze ukuthi iqembu igcina lithola sesingcindezini where bese kunenkulumo ye-relegation, yabo, kunenkulumo yama-playoffs. Asikuthandi lokho eqembini elifana i-TS Galaxy. And mangilalela, because ngumuntu olalela kakhulu ibhola nolifunda kakhulu ibhola, uma ngilalela uSiboniso Pagaqa kwenye yama-shows lapha ku-YouTube, bayaxoxa nje, it was i-panel yama-analyst, then uSiboniso Pagaqa was there. Sekuyabuzwa ukuthi which is the most improved team. Ngicabanga ukuthi ushilo wathi Kaizer Chiefs is the most improved team. Ngavumelana naye nami, but I know ukuthi abantu abaningi kuma-podcast and every soccer publications akhona, they are mainly focused on the big three. Ama-team afana no-TS Galaxy, amaZulu, abantu babathinta nje bedlula. No one is focusing on them, of which i-league is decided by those teams. Njengoba nibona i-TS Galaxy gilima laphana idla iMamelodi Sundowns. That's where now everyone was talking about the TS Galaxy, even remembering the records. The TS Galaxy, yeah, it should be Sundowns. But those conversations, it's a pity to valuable football. Most people are in the big three, of which me nanje personal is something that I think it must change. But we must talk about the other teams. Because yes, there are 16 teams in the Betway, and then there's this big three. But there are other teams, the other 13 teams, of which they are doing good. In those other 13 teams, one of the teams in those 13 teams in Kulmangao, which are not the big teams, you win the Nedbank Cup. And in those other 12 teams, one of those teams was playing a final in Nedbank Cup, which is TS Galaxy. So, ngibuyele epointini lika-Paka uthi the most disappointing team this season was TS Galaxy. When I heard that, that's why I could see uthi some people, they analyze football like thoroughly. Because it's true, TS Galaxy was the most disappointing team Betway this season. Kumnandi ngoba sikhuluma kanje iTS Galaxy survived and iTS Galaxy pulled one of the biggest upset in history of Betway, beating Mamelodi Sundowns convincingly eMbombela Stadium. So Upaka Kamayisho njalo, and I could see on the panel ukuthi like most of the people were not concentrating on TS Galaxy as a team and the potential TS Galaxy. TS Galaxy is a big team. TS Galaxy is a big team. How they performed this season, there were challenges, but I definitely believe Wuti, they deserve to be in the top 8, like every season. So them finishing at position 12 this season, it was not what TS Galaxy is known for. So I definitely believe changes will be made, and then TS Galaxy will go back to the top flight and compete with the best teams, simply because they are also a best team. So TS Galaxy ikwazile nayo ukuthi ithole amaphuzu awu-32 emidlalweni owu-30. Siyathemba ukuthi next season u-32 points bawukwazi bawuhlanganise maybe in the first 15 games, if I may say it, ngoba ilokho esikubhekile kakhulu. So uma sisuka lapho ke singaya kwi-World Cup. I-World Cup bafowethu izoqala, sibonile bafana abakwazanga ukuthi bahambe, kufanele ngabahambile namhlanje abakwazanga ukuthi bahambe ngenxa yamavisa. We are hoping ukuthi bazokulungisa lokho abasemagunyeni, bese ukuthi sikube ngokungananazi ukuthi siyambongela uPresident Thusi again, umlandeli omkhulu we-TS Galaxy owaqokwa ukuthi abe yingxenye yabalandeli abazoya eMexico ukuyobukela iBafana starting from i-opening game yama-Legends, because leya game leyana eBafana against Mexico as the opening game ye-World Cup is the repeat, or it's the historical repeat of the 2010 World Cup where Bafana played Mexico. Remember that game where Simphiwe Shabalala scored that historical goal, which still stands today as one of the best goals of the World Cup history. So Bafana will depart when everything is okay. And then, but it's unfortunate because manje fanele ba-adapt laphana ngoba ukuthi umdlalo wabo oqala bazodlala nge-11 and then amanye ama-games azolandela, because I definitely believe ukuthi bane-game nge-18 and then bane-game nge-25. Remember igroup yabo iBafana bane-Czech Republic, bane-Mexico and then bane-South Korea. Umdlalo wabo oqala ilo we-opening game where Mexico, which is the host team, and then umdlalo wabo olandela second game kwi-group yabo bazodlala ne-Czech Republic, and then nge-25 zika June babe bedlala umdlalo wokugcina ne-South Korea. We are hoping ukuthi they'll get one win so that they can qualify as maybe the number 3, because in this World Cup kuno shintsho, even number 3 can still qualify. We are knockout stages, so we are hoping ukuthi lokho kuzokwenza kuBafana, or they win 2 games and then they automatically qualify. Because remember, qualifying as number 3, you stand a chance of playing with the top teams. So we are hoping ukuthi they can maybe qualify as number 2 and then find a team that they can also maybe beat and then continue with the tournament. So kanjalo ke bafowethu, isizini ke bafowethu njengoba iphelile, kuhle siyabonga, siyacela ukuthi abalandeli kuhle ke bafowethu ukuthi isizini seyiphelile, engakuphakamisa ukuthi abalandeli bonke baseMpumalanga bafowethu isizini izoqala emva kwe-World Cup. Impumalanga izobe namathimu awu-2 ku-top flight. Ngikhuluma ngeKruger United ne-TS Galaxy. Ngiyacela ukuthi abalandeli abeze stadium, abalandeli abawathenga amathikithi, abalandeli abayibuke futhi i-fixture. Yabona, ibuke nje i-fixture mawumlandeli webhola noma umhlali waseMpumalanga, kune-game ethize, no, I need to attend this one. Maybe I'm working this one, or I'm at school, and this one I can't attend it. But let's make it an event. Let's make it an event, because going to the stadium and watching your local team or your home team or your favorite team should be an event, like what they are doing there, Orlando Amstel Arena. Watching Orlando Pirates these days, it's like you are going to an event. Ngiyakubona ke nala ekhaya kuyachuma. Ngikubone ngikujabulela kakhulu mangibuka abalandeli baseNkomazi besuka eNkomazi bezobukela i-The Bees. You can see passion, and kuyiqinisele ngephikiso ukuthi eMpumalanga, if I were to give i-award kubalandeli this season, I will give abalandeli be-The Bees. They were there for their team through thick and thin. They believed in their team, especially that baswedini beze la kaNyamazane, and sithi nje abangapheli umoya iqembu labo. And also them buying merchandise, it's good, because and they group themselves. It's even easier ukubashuta because they group themselves, they sing together. Yinle ide bees okunye angeke ngikhulume. So kuye kube kuhle kakhulu ukubabona abalandeli be-The Bees passion abanayo, same as abalandeli bayo i-TS Galaxy, i-passion ikhona. Sibonge ne-band always, like when the band is playing, you know what I'm watching TS Galaxy game. So happy birthday also to Mufasa, ilokhunja i-conductor yayi-band. Okuhle mfowethu empilweni, akube kuhle kukhanya empilweni. Umsebenzi wakho owenzayo uTS Galaxy siyawuthanda, siyabalandeli, sifisela okuhle empilweni. So ke njengoba sengisho njalo ke bafowethu, iKanyamazane Stadium asiyeni siyobuka ama-games next season. Imbombela Stadium asiyeni siyobuka ama-games this season. Remember, Kaizer Chiefs, AmaZulu, all the 14 teams bazoza kayi-2 elokhunjini embombela next season. Bazoza kayi-2 bezodlala ne-TS Galaxy, bazodlala ne-Kruger United. So it's gonna be a long and an exciting season. So ke bafowethu ke ukhumbula ukuthi kuleyo mdlalo futhi also there will be Nedbank Cup games. So it's gonna be a big season for Mpumalanga this season. So ke bafowethu, we must get ready. Ngiphinde ngicele futhi ukuthi abafowethu abathandayo ukuthi bazo-analyze ibhola, ozansi zo-analyze ibhola. Come, let's analyze our teams, let's analyze TS Galaxy, let's analyze the Bees, let's analyze MFC, yabona. Because talking about Chiefs and Pirates, everyone is talking about them. Then we must talk about what we have. We must talk about ours. You see? So we are hopeful ukuthi abafowethu bazoza. And another thing, i-team mayidliwe balandeli. Akusho ukuthi i-team mayidliwe. Come and talk to us as Imbombela fanatics. Because what I've noticed ukuthi, especially PSL, I could see ukuthi when their team is not doing good, they don't want to come to us and talk to us. When the team is winning, then that's where you will see them. This platform is for you guys. Come and enjoy the platform. And it's nice, ngoba we don't hold our friends as Mpumalanga hostage. Even when we see what you are good, we even encourage you to go to other big platforms that are doing what we do when they are here in Bombay. Abantu ke bayazi, we refer them to in those big platforms to go and do our interviews there. So guys, ikanjalo bafethu. Mbombela fanatics, siyabonga kakhulu bafethu, sithi okuhle phumlani kahle nibukele bafana nibe right, amakhaza akhona, nibe warm and be safe. Siyabonga, simsike, I'm out.